You're a human being, the greatest of all the creations of God. Especially all of you sub 25 who are sitting here. I don't want any one of you sub 25 sitting here to believe you're here for ordinary things in life. You're not here for ordinary things in life. The Vedas has one prescription for all of us. Lift yourself so that you can lift others. You have to believe, every one of you who is sub 25 here, with the prime time of your life ahead of you, you got to believe that you'll do something spectacular with your life. You're not here to be lost in a statistical entity. You're a human being. An ordinary barrister, ordinary selfish barrister. He was convinced Britishers should rule India. He wanted to earn in a foreign currency. Went and settled in South Africa to earn in rands. Was living for me, mine, myself. And the moment he identified a goal larger than himself, the transformation of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to Mahatma Gandhi transformed the whole world. Which means inside one human being, there is power to transform the rest of the world. An ordinary school teacher who did not even believe she had the capabilities to become the headmistress of a school, went on to build missionaries of charities, known to the world as Mother Teresa, feeding over 4 million people in 140 countries in the world, even much after her death. A carpenter's son and a shepherd till 30. And in 3 years' time, Jesus Christ was able to author one of the largest revolutions in the world. A university dropout in Steve Jobs was able to revolutionize the way technology operates even today. Our lifestyles have been changed. Every day we are seeing around us. And Azim Premji transforming a Shiakai company into a world-respected Wipro. Five people starting Infosys, and after several years, not able to even draw from their own organization what employees get paid. Still, a world-famous Infosys was built. That power of a human being, that potential of a human being is sleeping inside each one of you. To think that we are all here, struggling in our day-to-day life, to be lost as a statistical entity in the world population, that your birth was not noticed, the way you live will not be noticed, and your death also will not be noticed, that we will just exist, is not for a human being. Certain speeches are born out of certain lives. Certain lives are born out of certain speeches. I am talking out of experience. I know where I was. I know where I am. And not because I am special. A human being is special. In my case, my potential has started manifesting. In some of your case, it has not yet manifested. In some of their case, it has already manifested. The only difference between us is manifested potential and unmanifested potential. That's all. There is no human being without a potential. You just have to discover that magic. Somewhere you have to believe you're here for something very meaningful, beyond me, mine, myself. The beliefs you hold in the beginning of a journey define the journey. I want each one of you to believe. I don't care what your age is. Christ began at 30. Prophet began at 40. Abraham Lincoln began at 52. Colonel Sanders established Kentucky Fried Chicken at 65. George Bernard Shaw, when he was in his 90s, broke his hand. 90s. You know why? At 90, he realized, I've never climbed a tree in my life. And decided to try. And he fell down. At 90, he was ready to explore life. So there is no age to be awakened in life. You just have to make this decision. My entire past was over with the sunrise. Your entire future begins today. The question is, from here, how am I going to live the rest of my life? And that's the challenge we take up. The beliefs I hold in the beginning of a journey define the journey. Even if one of you sitting here who walked into this program thinking you're one more person, and if that one of you from this program can leave from here saying that in the next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, I will not be one more person. I will be the person. I will be a role model. I will create a social reformation. I will lift myself so much that I will be able to lift people around. If one of you can, this program has achieved this objective. And I'm searching for that one person somewhere sitting here.